name is clock. Have you seen clock in your house? Yes, I hope. Many times in a day you are observing clock in a minute, in an hour, right? So आपके घर पे घड़ी तो होगी ही. आप कितनी बार दिन में घड़ी को देखते होंगे, right? You can see this picture of the clock on the board, right? This type of clock you are having at your house might be it comes in the square shape, something triangle shape is there, like sun shape is there. So many different shapes are there in a clock, right, students? So what is the main? Have you seen the clock real? Yes, obviously. So उसमें आपने देखा होगा there are how many hands? उसमें कितने hands होते हैं? Yes, there are 3 hands, right? That one is the bigger hand. That one is bigger hand. And what we will say? Long hand. Which I will draw here. Suppose I will draw this long hand at the number 12. Right. So this is called minute hand. What is this? Minute hand. So you can see in your clock also. Minute hand is a long hand. Right. Second word is short hand. Short hand. So I want to show the 3 o'clock, right? So मुझे अगर यहाँ पे 3 o'clock दिखाना है, what I will do? I will draw the short hand in front of number 3. So you can see the difference, right? Same difference you have to make in your clock also. Whenever you are drawing hands in your clock at that time. Okay, so be particular about this. So you can see the difference. This one is the long hand and this one is the short hand. So long hand is known as the minute hand and the short hand is known as the hour hand. Hour hand is for the hours. Like हम बोलते हैं कि दोपहर को 1 बजे मुझे खाना खाना है. In the morning 7 o'clock I have to reach the school. मुझे सुबह 7 बजे स्कूल में पहुंचना है. At 10 o'clock मुझे breakfast करना है. So 10, 1, 2, what are they? They are just hours. So here the numbers are written. They are known as the hours. So 1 o'clock, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. How many hours in a day? There are 24 hours in a day. But ma'am, here there is only 12 hours. So how it's possible 24 hours in a day? So we will explain you. जैसे कि रात को 12 बजे से अगर ये टाइमिंग स्टार्ट होता है up to noon 12. So क्या होता है noon में 12 बजते हैं? Yes, whenever you are getting leave from the school, right? 12 बजे आपकी लीव हो जाती है. So 12 बजे जब आप देखते हो तो वो noon के 12 बजे complete हुए. After that we can count from 13. What comes after 12? 13. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. So हम बोलते हैं ना 24 घंटे एक दिन में होते हैं. So आज रात के 12 बजे से नेक्स्ट डे रात के 12 बजे तक कितने आवर्स हुए? 24. हालांकि वो कंप्लीट 12 के सर्कल में 2 टाइम होते हैं. You can remember that using the 12 twos are 24. So ये 12 का पूरा राउंड दिन में 2 बार कंप्लीट करता है. Then only 24 hours will complete. Okay. So whenever you can see, you see that the bigger hand, the long hand is on the 12 and the short hand is of any of the number that will form a full hour. उससे क्या होता है? Full number बनता है. Like जैसे कि 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. So here which time is that? 3 o'clock. So we will write like this 3, then O, then make dash, comma like that and clock. So this is the way you can write a time on the clock. जब आप clock के ऊपर time देखते हो, so this is the way you can write the time. Okay students, now I will show you the real clock also. Okay students, so you can see this. Which time is going on? Yes, I can make a time. This is of 9 o'clock, right? If I want to show you the 10 o'clock, what will I do? I will just move there. Otherwise it will will move by themselves. Okay, so if I want to show, so here you can see this. Okay students, so this is of 10 o'clock, right? So 10 o'clock, what comes after 10? 11, then 12, again start from the ones. So here you can also see the difference between the hands. This one is a longer hand and this one is short hand. Same, long hand, short hand. Okay students, let's see reading time in half hour. जब हमने पूरा टाइम सीख लिया, like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, वो होता है full hour time. Now we will learn about half hour time. So कैसे read करेंगे? So here I will write half hour reading time. Okay, half hour. What we are going to learn? Half hour. Okay. So first, as I said, कि जो short hand होता है वो कहाँ होता है? Like whatever the number is there. So कोई भी नंबर के ऊपर अगर हम ले लेते हैं तो half means what? So half जब यहाँ से लेकर के आप अगर नोट करोगे, so here you can see. Can I divide this clock into the two partition? Right? So two partitions are there. So this one is called the first half and this is called as the second half. So half time जब ये यहाँ से अगर मैं इसको पूरा शेड कर देती हूँ, so you come to know that this is the half part. Right student? So whenever the long hand, that means minute hand, come to the number 6, जब यहाँ पे number 6 पे टर्न होके आएगा minute hand, at that time half hour will form. Half hour का form होगा. So suppose I want to show 2.5, यानी 2 o'clock complete होगा, उसके बाद half an hour गया. So 12 से लेकर के जब तक minute hand 6 तक पहुँचेगा, that will become half hour. So I will draw, and what you have to do, you have to draw short hand. जब वो half hour complete करेगा, तो जब वो 2 o'clock के बाद complete होगा, तो you have to show the short hand in between 2 and 3 only. So make sure that your hour hand in between of 2 and 3. So this kind of time will form, that is of 2:30 is there. यानी 2 complete हो गए, उसके बाद 30 minutes वहाँ पे form हुए. So what will be here? 2:30. What is the time here? 2:30. Either you can say, there is a second way to write this time, 2:30. 2:30. Okay, 2:30 मतलब what? जब आप देखोगे half past means what? Half past means जब 2 o'clock खत्म हो गए, उसके बाद half hour complete हुआ, that is called 2:30. Okay, instead of taking 2, you can take 3, 3:30, 4:30, 5:30, right? So ऐसे जैसे टाइमिंग मैंने सिखाया आपको full clock, same way in the 2:30 hour. Now move to the next, that is our quarter time, quarter to or quarter past. Quarter मतलब क्या होता है? 1/4 part. Like I will do the 4 partition over here. Okay. Right? Can you see this? 4 parts are there of a clock. So this part is called quarter. Again, this is the quarter. When 2 quarter will add, what will become? 1/2 part will become. Okay. So quarter part means कि 12 से लेकर के 3 तक का टाइम है, 3 से लेकर 6 तक का टाइम, 6 तक से लेकर 9 and 9 up to 12. That is called minutes, right? In between 12 to 1 there are 5 minutes, right students? You can see this. How many minutes are there? 5 minutes are there. So in between each number there will be 5 minutes. Like from 12 to 1 minute hand will move, so 5 minutes are there. Then 5 2s are 10. You can count using the table also. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 6s are 30. So that's why I written 30 over here. Now as I said, we are going to learn quarter time. Quarter hour. Okay. So what we will do, as I said, जब आप complete करोगे, like quarter time past होता है. So जैसे कि 2 o'clock, as I said, right? So quarter past करना है, तो what will happen कि आपको quarter part दिखाना है after 2 o'clock. Okay. So what you will do, you will draw the hour hand at near 2. Okay, so our hand is on nearby 2 and yes, quarter past. यानी हमें 15 minute past करनी है. So what will happen? Our minute hand will be on 3. Right, students? So whenever you want to show the quarter past, you have to show till 15 minutes. Right? So 12 से लेकर के 3 you can call it quarter part. Right? This is called quarter past 2. Quarter past 2. Okay, so ये हुआ quarter past 2. That means कि 2:15. Right? 2:15 time is there. Now we will learn quarter 2 और number. जैसे कि हमने देखा कि 15 मिनट पास्ट हो गए, कोई भी नंबर कोई भी टाइम कंप्लीट हुए, like after 1 o'clock, after 2 o'clock, after 3 o'clock, right? Now we'll learn quarter 2. So as I said, the quarter 2, if 1 o'clock timing is there, in 1 o'clock 15 minutes have remained, 15 minutes बाकी है. So what you will do, as I said, 4 part will be there. So that become a quarter part. This is the quarter part, this is the quarter, this is the quarter, and this one is the quarter part. So as I said, in 1 o'clock quarter part is remain. So this much part is remain, right? इतना part बाकी रहेगा 1 o'clock complete होने में. So what will happen? So 12 and 1 के बीच में ये जो our hand है हमारा, 12 and 1 के बीच में रहेगा. And yes, the minute hand comes on at the 9 number. Right, students? Can you see this difference between the hands? And yes, quarter to 1 o'clock. That means the quarter part is remain for 1 o'clock. So what we will write here? 12:45 you can say. Okay? Else you can write quarter to 1. Quarter to 1. जैसे मैंने बताया क्वार्टर पार्ट 1 o'clock होने में बाकी है. That is why we will write quarter to 1. Okay, so here we completed how we will see the clock. First we had learned how to see the full hours. After that we had learned about the half past, and after that we learned about a quarter past and quarter 2. Okay, so here we completed our clock timings. Okay, there are 2 ways you can write the time, in the numbers and in the words, right? Quarter to 1, 12:45. Okay, students. So next topic is about months of the year, right? Have you learned about months of the year in the pre-primary only? So how many months are there? Yes, 12 months are there. Months of the year. Months of the year. So 12 months are there. First one is January. Second one is February. Third one is March. Fourth is April. 5 May and 6 June. Number 7, yes, July. Number 8, August. Number 9, September. Number 10, October. Number 11, November. And the last month of the year is December. So these are the name of months, right? So there are 12 months. According to that, I have given the number. First month is January, second February, third March. So in exam we can ask if which month is of 6th month, what is the name of the 7th month, right? So according to the 7th month, July month is there. Okay, so how many days are there in a month? So in January, 31 days are there, right? In February, sometimes 29 days are there. So in which year 29 days in a February month there are? So that year is known as leap year. So वैसे in a year कितने days होते हैं? 365 days. But in a leap year there are 366 days. Okay. So in February month sometimes 28 days are there and sometimes 29 days are there. So in March month again 31 days are there. April month 30 days are there. May 31 days. June 30 days. According to that 31 30 but only in the February there are 28 or 29 days are there. So July 31 days are there, and yes, in the 7th month and in the 8th month both are having the 31 days. Okay, so July month is also having 31 days and the August month is also having 31 days. Now September month 30 days. October, yes, which month is going on now? October month is going on now. So how many days are there in October month? So there are 31 days in October month. Now next is November. So in November 30 days are there, and in December, that means the last month of the year, having 31st day, 31 day in a December month. Okay, so these are the number of days. Now after that we will come to the days of the week. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days. Yes, that you have learned. आपको पता ही होंगे, आपको याद भी होंगे, right? So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Again Sunday is repeated, but Sunday is the last day of the week. That's why we are saying the weekend. How many weekends are there? So weekends 2 days are there. Okay. So let's see some special days falls in there every month. कोई ना कोई month में कोई ना कोई special day जरूर होता है. So let's see that on which day, which main festival, other days, special days are there. Okay. So Teachers Day. Yes, just now Teachers Day you have celebrated, right? So on which day? 5th September. So you have to keep it in your mind these things. September month. That means on 5th September there is a Teachers Day. After that Independence Day. Yes, that is on 15th August. Right? Next is Republic Day. Republic Day comes in the January month. That falls on 26th January. Okay. Next, Gandhiji's birthday. Just now. It means before how many days Gandhi Jayanti went? Yes, few days before only. So on that day we are having holiday, right? 2nd October. Okay. Fifth one is Children's Day. Children's Day, upcoming celebration. Yes, on Children's Day, what is that? Chacha Nehru, Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday was there. So that is on 14th November. Right. And the last two question that I mentioned before only, in a year, how many days are there? So there are 365 days in a year. But in a leap year, as I said, in leap year, in February month, 29 days are there. So according to that, 1 day increase हुआ. So you have 365 days in a year होते हैं. But whenever the leap year is going on, so there are 366 days. So we can ask in the missing letter month of the year, and we can ask the days of the week in the missing letters. Okay. So here I completed my chapter number 6, that is the clock. I hope you understood this concept very well. So thank you for watching my video. Stay at home, stay safe.